We have been told that in order to get the ability to peacefully sleep at night, the civil service workers sacrifice their sleep and safety. This Shaheed Samarak is the proof of that.
This Smarak has been built in the memory of the Home Guards who laid down their life in the call of duty.
The Anushri Foundation took the initiative to bridge the gap between service and nature. With their unwavering dedication, they decided to create a unique experience for these future civil servants. Many trainees came together at the Shaheed Samarak, a monument that stands for something so important, and now it will be associated with another kind of service to Mother Nature.
जिस प्रकार सैनिक और अर्धसैनिक बल जनता की सुरक्षा के लिए तत्पर रहते हैं, उसी प्रकार वृक्षारोपण पृथ्वी के वातावरण को शुद्ध करने के लिए एवं इनमें संतुलन बनाने के लिए अत्यंत आवश्यक है। इसके लिए मैं अनुश्री फाउंडेशन को धन्यवाद देता हूँ।
The tree plantation drive wasn't just about planting trees. It was about honoring the memory of the Home Guards who selflessly protected our citizens. The sacrifice is immeasurable, and now these trainees will ensure that their legacy lives on through the flourishing greenery.
समाज में इसके लिए अधिक से अधिक संदेश देवें कि पेड़ और पौधों की सुरक्षा करें व उनके सम्मान में खड़े होएं।
जिस प्रकार शहीद स्मारक के अंदर शहीदों के नाम अंकित किए थे, उसी प्रकार उन्होंने जो ये पौधारोपण की जो कार्रवाई की है, उसको हम पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी याद रखेंगे और बारी बारी से उनकी हम सेवा करेंगे।
Creating a powerful lesson in duty, service, and the importance of safeguarding our environment, they showed that serving one's country is not just about upholding the law. It is also about nurturing the land and preserving the memory for those who gave their all.
Anushri Foundation has contributed towards addressing the climate change, the Grow Green campaign, and providing sustainable solutions to the global warming issue. So this is going to impact the positive and motivation environment to the trainees who are coming to the Central Training Institution. Lastly, I would like to thank them once again.
And as these plants will stand tall in the future, they'll serve as a living testament to the commitment of our future civil servants. A commitment that extends beyond their time in office, reminding us all that our duty to our nation and our environment is a lifelong endeavor.